Today, we'll make LOF together. Let's start making liquid organic fertilizer.
Safety first, guys. Lunch leftovers. Put them here. Great work, everyone. Keep up the excellent chopping. This will decompose faster. Put everything into this drum. Sweet food for the microbes. Let's pour it in slowly now.
Make sure it all goes into the drum.
Stir it well, guys.
It smells a bit sour.
Close it tight, no gas leak. Stir every 3 days to keep it good. Sour smell, perfect. Pour it slowly. Ready to use, guys. Hope our plants grow better.